Time for the starting grid for the 7th round of the Slideways Open Sprint Series, and it's Liam Hydes on pole from Christian Bishop, Lachlan Powell, Alex Jacovides, Clayton Hydes, Brodie Smith, Daniel Connor, Michael Baines, Steph Wilmot, Pete Hendra, John Wilmot, Clint Williams, Zach Christie and Bianca Williams rounding out the field. Green flag in the air and we're away. Bunny hopping off the start there. Liam Hydes, he leads the pack through the first turn here on this hectic opening lap. Reverse track direction at Slideways Go-Karting there. They go up through the top hairpin for the first time. Out in front, Liam Hydes, Christian Bishop tucked into the draft there. Christian, a race winner already today, doing a great job. We ride on board with Pete Hendra as they sort themselves out on this open lap. Far corner now. Well, looks like we've got a spinner back in the pack. Someone's gone around. Oh, it's Steph Wilmot there, unfortunately. She was having a great run today, but that has put paid to her chances in this one, as they sort themselves out, tipping it back onto the starting grid straight. Tight line there by Liam Hydes, and a maximum attack by Christian Bishop as they work their way up past the pits. Lachlan Powell is in third position. Great job by him so far today. He is under pressure from Alex Jacovides as they sort themselves out in his opening laps. Good look out there. First, second, back to third with Powell. Then we go back to Brodie Smith in position 5. Clayton Hydes in 6th. As they head through the top hairpin one more time. Liam Hydes out in front is top competitor here at Slideways Go-Karting World. It doesn't matter if it's the juniors or the seniors, he's out there doing a great job. We're right on board with Pete Hendra through this tight infield section. All out there in his lonesome. That first lap skirmish really did spread the pack out as they tip it onto the straight here. Real different view as they go on the reverse track direction. Something a bit different. We alternate the track direction each month here at Slideways Go-Karting World, so it really does mix it up. Out in front, Liam Hydes can't link the band back to Christian Bishop, but then there's train forming behind Lachlan Powell, Alex Jacovides and Brodie Smith in the draft there. Jacovides having a look up the inside, a little bit of contact, triple bump and run there. But Jacovides has been able to forge his way through there. He's now up into position number 3. So tip it on to the pit straight. He's already drawn out quite a little advantage for himself there, so he's definitely got kart pace on board here as he goes and chases down Christian Bishop. Liam Hydes, Christian Bishop and Jacovides the top 3. As they work around the back side of Slideways Go-Karting World. Powell now under attack from Brodie Smith. Clayton Hydes back in there behind them. Out in front, father-son duo there, racing away. Got a few families involved in this one here today, so the Hydes and the Wilmots out there. And out in front, Hydes Jr. Liam Hydes showing the way past the pits one more time. He's just put his head down there and drawn a few extra kart lengths over Christian Bishop. But it is Lachlan Powell under fire from Brodie Smith as they bring it up behind the workshop one more time. Clayton Hydes there in the middle of the screen with the black and red helmet. Might be Michael Baines just in behind him. So good racing round. Really real competitors to Slideways Go-Karting World, really mixing it up and turning out some great lap times here this morning. Lots of great battles all the way back through the pack. Leaders work their way up past the pits one more time. Still Lachlan Powell there, under pressure. This is the battle of the race at the moment. Powell under pressure from Smith as they work their way behind the workshop. Powell there in the red t-shirt really has put on a good show here today so far. Definitely his best race here at Slideways Go-Karting World, and he's putting a heap of pressure here from Smith. Two of the newer competitors to the racing series here. He's got a bit of a shoulder check there just to see where the competitors are at. Under the pit straight one more time. Liam Hydes, Christian Bishop, Alex Jacovides. A little bit spread out there at the front, but then this battle for 4th and 5th position. So they wind their way down to this hairpin. Powell just skating a little bit wide, gives Smith a bit of an advantage there. Through these tight curves. And the banking on the corners here really does make it tricky, so you want to stay on your line. Back through the far corner. Still Powell, Smith. Looks like we've got a spinner there. It's Bianca Williams has gone around as we throw it over the cab.
Liam Hyde's in the lead from Christian Bishop, Alex Jacobides, Lachlan Powell, Brody Smith, Clayton Hodge, Michael Baines, Daniel Connor, Peter Hendra, Clint Williams, Zach Christie, Bianca Williams, Steph Wilmot, and Johnny Wilmot rounding out the field. Liam Hyde has pulled a comfortable gap here. Now out to almost 1.2 seconds, but the mover is definitely Alex Jacobides, who has now almost got himself on the back of Christian Bishop. A very good racer is Alex. Has come from fourth on the grid. Michael Powell still doing a great job there in fourth. He was our winner of race 2. And he now has Brody Smith all over him. Brody probably been the most consistent of the day, being 5th, 6th thereabouts all day. Some great driving by him. Michael Baines is currently in 6th, Clayton Hyde 7th, Daniel Connor 8th, Peter Hendricks 9th, Clint Williams 10th, Zach Christie is 11th, Bianca Williams 12th, from Steph Wilmot and Johnny Wilmot rounding out the field. All drivers well and truly into either the 39s, 40s or low 41s, which is fast time. Alex Jacobides all over the back of Christian Bishop as they commence another lap. It's a solid almost 2-second gap now from our race leader Liam Hyde back to Christian Bishop. So great drive by Liam. The real pressure here is on second place man Christian Bishop with Alex Jacobides all over him. The race will be on to the finish. Fourth place there. Lachlan Powell been driving great all day, and he's got Brody Smith all over him. The gap, 1.8 seconds. They're coming up near some lap traffic, but this will always make it interesting. So it's Liam Hyde from Christian Bishop, Alex Jacobides, Lachlan Powell, Brody Smith, Michael Baines, Clayton Hyde up to 7th, Daniel Connor 8th, Peter Hendra is 9th, Clint Williams, Zach Christie, Bianca Williams, Steph Wilmot and Johnny Wilmot are rounding out the field. And young Liam has managed to John Wilmot there, he gets the last lap board. This is going to get interesting, the last lap. I say second and third. That's Johnny Wilmot, who is an experienced driver. He won't hold these guys up. So they go around the back section of the track, and it's still Christian Bishop there in second from Alex Jacobides, which is the pace that the front here is on. They're all pretty much equal times, but it's Liam Hyde, a race out round winner. Well done Liam Hyde. Christian Bishop second, Alex Jacobides great race in third. Lachlan Powell, awesome drive today, secures 4th there. Brody Smith is 5th. Michael Baines is 6th. Clayton Hyde's 7th.